it's Sugarpro Lexy, and right now I'm at Heat the Convention, and I brought along my new Sugarhaul. So let's see what's inside. So this bag says, "When the music's good, I dance." So the first thing in here is this barrier spray, which is great for convention weekends when you're dancing and sweating all day long. And this actually helps set and seal your makeup so you look fresh. So next we have these trip wipes. I'm definitely seeing a travel theme going on with this haul. And these are actually individually packed antibacterial wipes. So these are great for when you're going to a convention and traveling a lot, in and out of airports and gas stations. These will keep you safe from any germs. Now we have this lip balm. You can never have too many of these. I literally have to buy them every time I'm at the store. And looks like it is cherry vanilla, and it says XOXO sugar on it, which is super cute. I'm going to smell it really fast. That smells so good. Next we have, looks like it is lipstick sealer. So now you have your lipsticks, which is specifically made for your lips so that you won't have any smudging on your costumes or anything, which goes perfectly with your makeup spray. So you will be all set for competition and conventions. So last but certainly not least, we have my literally favorite mascara. This is the Sweet Cat Max Volume. This will literally make your eyelashes look so good. And let me just show you what my favorite part about it is. Look, the top of it is literally a kitty cat. It's so cute. So that's what came in my sugar haul. And remember, not all hauls are the exact same, but they're all filled with amazing dance stuff that you need in your dance bag. And if you want to start getting your sugar haul delivered right to your door, go subscribe to sugarhaul.com and go to Instagram and follow at SugarhaulCo and at Lexy the Dancer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!